Hello friends, welcome to this new video. It's a great joy for me to prepare this for you guys, and hope you will enjoy. So yes, let's look at some visual abstract reasoning tests today. And in this first question, you're going to get 1 minute to find the perfect match for the figure on the left that will make it a perfect square. Are you ready? If you are, then go. Okay, time is up. Let's go ahead and look at the correct answer. So here it's difficult to explain because it's a visual thing, but let's see. Here we know that we have of course it's easier to just maybe make a screenshot and turn it around and see which one fits best, but yeah, sometimes you may not have the possibility to do that, especially if you are watching a video. It's too much work maybe. But anyway, how you can imagine this is you consider like these parts, these holes here that needs to be filled. You know that these two are at the same level, and actually this one will be filled by this one when you turn it around, when you reverse it, and this one should be filled by this one here. All right, and actually what was here will be coming here. So that said, this one is already eliminated because this should be at the same level as this one. Okay, because yeah, this and this should be at the same level, so this one is not great fit, this one either, but this one can be. But then if you look at the details, you notice that this should be a little bit yeah, let's see. Yeah, when you reverse it again, so this one should be lower, so this should be higher than this one. Yes, well, actually all of them respect that, but then yeah, now you really need to compare the features, and anyway, you will notice that B is the correct answer, and as you see, B fits perfectly. Okay, I hope you managed to find this, but if you didn't, then you get another chance. Okay, another 1 minute if you are ready for finding like the missing figure. Actually, yeah, like this gives this or the other way around, then which one will this give? Okay, and you have 5 choices, and I'm going to give you 1 minute here. Ready, steady, go. Okay, 1 minute has passed and it's time to look at the correct answer. Right, yeah, this logic is a little bit strange, I must admit, but yeah, just notice that here you have the triangle with a little circle inside. Here you have the reverse triangle with a big circle inside. Here you already have the reversed with a big circle, so we would expect the opposite here. Okay, that is the triangle with the point, the base on at the bottom. Okay, like this one here, which eliminates already this and this, so we have the choice between A, C, and the E now. But the other thing is you have here like a round, a circle, a filled circle, and here the same, but with a dot in the hollow circle. Here you have actually the reverse, like the opposite of this. So yeah, we will just expect the same order, like the filled circle here, but then on this side we would expect also like the hollow circle but with a dot inside. Okay, so this gives us E as the correct answer. Yes, E is the correct answer. Yeah, if you have any other logic you think might be correct here, don't hesitate to let me know down in the comment below. Okay, I'll be glad to read about it. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, or if you have been a long time viewer and have not yet subscribed, this is the right time to do it. Don't you finish the video without subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And by subscribing, you are supporting me. Okay, you are supporting the growth of the channel also, and yeah, that makes me happy. Thank you very much for watching again, and I will see you next time. And until then, please take care. Peace.